Hello everyone, this is Sadish Kumar Ramalingam. In this video, I am going to explain how to implement Google Map in Ionic 4 application. Next, let's move on to the code. First of all, go to your index.html file and open that file. Next, you need to add this Google Map script on the header section. Okay. Don't forget, please use your own API key. I didn't include any API key here. You just go through the Google Cloud Console and create a new API key for your mobile application. Okay. You just use your API key here, then only the map display. Otherwise, the map display, but it shows the developer purpose only issue. Okay, let's move on to the code. Okay, next open your app folder and open the homepage.html file. Okay, here create a new div element. Okay, this is for our map display functionalities. Okay, I just create a div element with a template reference variable. You guys are already have some knowledge about the template reference variable, so I want to explain here. Okay, you just give the name of the variable is map element. Okay, next just add the CSS class for displaying map property. Okay, here is the CSS. Then just I give the height property. Okay, height is 100%. Sorry, because of I want full page map, so I just give height is 50%. Okay, I just apply the CSS class for that div element in my home.page.html file. Next, I want to move on to my TS section. That means our homepage class section. Okay. First of all, I need to declare a variable for Google. Okay. See here, I have declared the variable for Google here. I just zoom in. Okay. First, you need to declare a variable for Google into your import section. Okay, that means it's a global variable. Next, I want to create a variable for map. Okay. Next, I want to add a view child reference for my map element, because of I want to using the template reference variable inside of my class. So I want to create a view child element. Okay. This map element is nothing but art name we have already given into my template section. Okay. I just copy this map element and paste it here. Okay. Next, I want to initialize the map. Okay. Here, I want to initialize the map after content edit. Okay. Already you guys are know about the Ionic lifecycle event. Because of Ionic 4, just remove the old Ionic 3 lifecycle event. Okay. Here we want to use the Angular core native lifecycle event. The example for ng on init, ng on changes, ng after view init, ng after content init. Okay, ng after view checked, ng after content checked. These are the life cycle of the Angular application. Okay, we just want to use in Ionic 4 these of the life cycle events only. Okay, don't try to use the whole life cycle event and ION content init, ION view init, ION init. Don't use these life cycles here. Okay. Next, I want to create a new Google Map here. Okay. I just use new class for Google Map, so I just implement the new object here. Okay. I just use google.maps.map function here. Here I want to display the map into my map element. Okay, map element is nothing but already I have created using view child. Okay, this is nothing but this element. Okay, I want to display the map inside of this div element. Okay, I just write the code for it. I want to use this one. Okay, I want to display my map inside of my map element. Okay, it's a native HTML element, so I just use the native element method. Next, I want to set the map center and map zoom options. Okay, here I give the latitude and longitude of map center position and what is the zoom level I want. Okay, I just give 8. This is zoom level. Okay, this code is initialize your Google Map inside of your Ionic 4 application. Okay, next I want to run my application. I just simply click this run button, or else you used Ionic start, Ionic run, or Ionic build. Use these commands and test your application in real devices or into the browsers. Okay, now I'm going to test with my browser first. Next I want to test with my real device, that means emulate it. Okay, I'm using NOx emulator for testing this application. Don't worry guys, this will take a couple of minutes to compile this project. Meantime, I'll show one thing for you. I have created a website for my tutorial series. Name is ramsat.com. If you have free time, you just go and visit the website, and you will see all my videos in this website and all my tutorials too. Okay guys, I have Angular tutorials and Ionic tutorials, and this is the video series, and also TypeScript, Android and web development tutorials here. Okay guys, go and watch this website and have more and gain more knowledges. Okay, thank you so much. And I have to a Facebook page. Okay guys, this is my Facebook page. I have used for update my videos and other tutorial series in this page only. Okay, just go and like this page and you will get all the updated information from this page. Okay, yes, see here my map is running successfully. Okay, I have received the map application. Okay, all the functionalities are working successfully. Okay guys, this is the way to implement Google Map into your Ionic 4 application. Okay, next I want to show my mobile application to you. Okay, I have already built the Android mobile application. Okay, I just want to open that one. This is the application I have already built and installed into my emulator. I just open it. Okay guys, see it, my Google Map is loading successfully. Okay, all the functionalities also work into the emulator. Okay, everything is fine, and this is the simple way to implement your Google Map into the Ionic 4 application. Okay, and this is the simple code. Just you want to show the map inside of your Ionic 4 application. Okay guys, this is the simple thing. I have uploaded this code into my GitHub account. You just follow my GitHub account and get the code. So thank you so much for watching. Keep watching for more videos. Please subscribe and click bell icon for more updated content. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.